The iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max come with a brand new design and a more advanced camera setup, along with enough changes to reaffirm their status as Apple's premium phones. But the cost is getting a Pro just went up, even if you are getting more storage as part of the deal. I was honestly surprised when Apple revealed prices for its Pro models. Although the iPhone 17 Pro technically gets a price increase by $100, it now comes with 256GB of starting storage. This effectively makes the new phone $1,099, which is actually the same as the 256GB iPhone 16 Pro. Meanwhile, there is no change for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, as it still commands the same $1,199 starting cost as last year's model, and it comes with the same 256GB of storage. Pre-orders are available right now with a full availability online and in stores starting on September 19. There are only 3 color options to choose from: silver, cosmic orange, deep blue. Among those, I have to say orange certainly stands because of how Apple kept the Pros with very neutral colors. At $1,099 for the iPhone 17 Pro and $1,199 for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, Apple has held the line on pricing. Sort of like I mentioned earlier, the iPhone 17 Pro is $100 more, but you get 256GB storage to start, matching the base capacity of the Pro Max. Between the two, I would put my money on the iPhone 17 Pro Max because of its larger display and likely longer battery life, all while being only $100 more to pick up. The Pro looks almost cute by comparison, but it is certainly capable for a phone of its size.